To use the Do Not Disturb mode in Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all, you will need to open a settings on your smartphone. Next step is to enter sound and vibration, where you can find Do Not Disturb mode. Now you can activate this option right here already. You can also adjust many different settings regarding it. So first one is people. Some people can interrupt your Do Not Disturb mode, and you can manage them in messages and calls. So if you select messages, you can also enable or disable specific groups that can reach you even if you're in Do Not Disturb mode, and also it applies to calls. Additionally, here you can allow repeated callers, so if somebody tries to call you 2 times, the call will normally go through when this option is on. Next is apps. You can manage which apps are able to interrupt Do Not Disturb mode. There's also alarms and other interruptions like alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and calendar events. You can also schedule Do Not Disturb mode for specific time like sleeping, or you can create your own with the plus button. There's a duration for quick settings, so if you activate Do Not Disturb mode using your quick settings right here, you can enable it until you turn it off manually, enable it for 1 hour, or you can enable ask every time. Then you will see this window each time you're going to click on it. And here there's display options for filtered notifications. You can put it on no sound from notifications, no visuals or sounds from notifications, or custom, that you can customize using this gear icon with many different settings. Finally, there's options to activate Do Not Disturb mode. You can flip your phone upside down so that the screen is on the table. To activate Do Not Disturb mode, you can pick up to silence. When you receive a ringtone, you can pick up your phone and then it will silence ringtone. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.